Alright mga ka-inspire, so push up time again at ang gagawin naman natin is push up with shoulder tap. So madali lang, push up tayo and then tap yung shoulder. So additional hands and power coordination ito. Alright, simulan na natin. Ah, 19. Whew. Wow, 20 guys. So, nanigas yung tricep ko. So, it's good for tricep workout and hand coordination. So, tuloy-tuloy lang guys. Stay strong, mga ka-inspire.